How to buy Snapchat Premium using Fampay. Now, before you dig into buying a Snapchat Premium using Fampay payment method, ensure that you're currently running with the latest version of your Snapchat. Just simply go to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device and go to Snapchat icon and make sure that you are currently using the updated or the latest version of Snapchat. The next thing you do is access your Snapchat account and make sure that you logged in. And from here, just tap on your profile picture, which is going to be at the top left portion of your screen. And in here, go to Custom App Themes. And then just directly hit Next. Now, the other thing that you have to make sure is make sure that you have enough fund for you to be able to pay for any of the subscription from Snapchat Premium on your FamPay. And here, just simply choose on a current offer that you would like if it's going to be a monthly or annual. Now, once you have choose your preferred subscription, just tap on that and go to Start Free Trial and you will be redirected to a payment method. Just simply choose on FamPay and you're good to go. So that's it. That's how you use FamPay buying a Snapchat Premium.